I have been writing a lot of AI code lately, and frontend is fine, but the backend part, database, auth, syncing ends up being fixed by myself. I have usually used Supabase for that, but I recently hit their free trial limits and I started to look for alternatives. Turns out Convex has a noticeably better free trial because they allow you to create 40 different projects, and Supabase is allowing you to create 2 projects by individual or 1 per organization. Also, they have just released plugins for Codex and for the Claude Code, and they are supposed to make this backend setup easier for you. Also, they were nice enough to sponsor this video, so thanks to them for that, but I'm picking this apart the same way I would do anyway. So real quick, let's talk about Convex and what actually is. Let's start thinking about a normal database like filling a cabinet. You put data in and you take the data out, but if something changes, nobody automatically finds out. You have to check or someone has to tell you. That's how most of the databases work by default, including the one behind the Supabase, because you'd have to build that part that notices the user when something changes. Now let's think about Convex, that is more like a shared Google Doc instead. The second something changes, everyone looking at it just sees the update happen live. And this happens without refreshing or asking, it's something built on top of the database. So when I'm saying that it handles the real-time syncing for you, that's what I mean. Your app behaves like a Google Doc automatically, instead of wiring that up yourself. Moving on to the plugin, because as I said in the beginning, they release plugins for Claude Code and Codex. This is extremely useful because instead of setting up and connecting the database by yourself, the AI does that part too, not just building the app, but it also builds the backend. Which is kinda funny if you ever watched an AI agent invent a database table that doesn't exist and then act surprised that the codebase doesn't work. So I'm going to test both. Codex will build a chat app and Claude Code will develop a to-do board. So I'm trying to achieve 2 apps that are connected to their own backend, and the backend works in sync. If you care about one plugin, I left some chapters down below so you can skip through the video. So let's start with Codex and move on to Claude Code next. Okay, so I opened up Codex CLI and now let's install the plugin. I mean, I already have it installed, but I want to show you how you can do it too. So you have to search for the /plugins command, and then you will have to type Convex and then you will hit install. I already have it installed, as you can see, and I can press escape to go back to the CLI. I also created the dummy app in Xcode and I want Codex to build the both UI and the backend for it. So let's dismiss this and give him the prompt. So I want you to build a chat app with a minimalist design and black and white only. When the user opens up the app for the first time, they are asked to enter their name and to provide a profile picture. And the backend will be integrated using Convex and the UI will look something similar to iMessages. So I'm using the GPT 5.5 on the medium effort and I will send a prompt and wait to see what happens. Alright, so Codex has generated the app and now let's add the profile picture. Let's say we have the one with Messi, and here we have a random guy, so he's Roy. Let's hit continue. So let's start a new chat. So we have Messi and let's text him. So what's up, bro? He received the message from us and he can reply back, and as you can see it's real time, so I send a message and he received it. Okay, this needs some improvement because it should be cleared up after sending the message, but we only care about the real-time functionality. So let's reply him playing some FIFA, and as you can see he received the message live. As you can see, it's pretty easy to build the app itself because I just wrote the prompt and he managed to build the UI and the backend too. Also, you can visualize your data by going into the dashboard from Convex, and here you can see the tables that got created. So we have the conversations, messages, and the profiles. Enough talking about Codex, and now let's move to my favorite one, which is Claude Code. Alright, now we are on the Claude Code CLI and now let's install the Convex plugin. So type /plugin and now you can simply search for Convex, and it doesn't appear here because I already have it installed, so I will move to installed, and as you can see it's already here. You can press escape to go back, and now let's give him the prompt. Build a collaborative to-do board app, and I want it to have a minimalist design like Notion, and when the user opens up the app for the first time, it's asked to provide a profile picture and their name. The to-do board is like a horizontal scrollable grid, and the users will have a plus icon top right that will open up a full screen cover to create the to-do. He can enter the title, subtasks, and also assign to other people. The assign feature will show the users of the app with name and photo, and the user can select as many as he wants. And the backend will be built using Convex. Now let's hit enter and see what he can do. Also, let's switch to the auto mode. Also, this is the project, so as you can see, there is nothing inside. It's a dummy project, so let's see what Claude can do. Open up to simulators and use the Convex on local only. I don't want to host it in Claude for now. So Claude has finished, and now let's try to set up our profiles. So let's add a picture with Messi and enter his name. And for this one, let's see what photos we have here. Enter Roy, continue, and the UI looks pretty okay right now. So let's try to create a task. Really, it looks really much as Notion, so it's pretty good. So let's say develop iOS app. Let's see. Oh, we can add some task, which is really cool. I don't know, set up Xcode and set up architecture. Let's assign people, and as you can see, my account appears in here, and we can hit create and it appears in real time. And the layout is kind of screwed because the top bar shouldn't move from the top. And let's see if we check something here, and it updates in real time, which is extremely nice. And 1 of 1, it's done. Now I noticed that Codex in the previous project didn't added the profile picture and Claude did. Maybe because the model wasn't good enough, or I don't know. So yeah, Convex is officially my go-to from now on. Free trial alone wins it. 40 projects versus Supabase 2, that's not even a fair fight. But the real surprise was watching Codex and Claude Code building the whole database without me touching anything, which is more independence than I show while cooking the dinner. Links are down below in the description if you want to try it out, and until the next one, take care and make sure to ship fast.